Dear students, welcome to our channel Anu Computer Education. So in this video, we are going to discuss the very important concepts in Business Statistics 1, Unit 5. So in Unit 5, there are two topics are there. One is correlation concept and movements concept. So compulsory, you will get one 12 marks question. In correlation, so two correlations are there, Spearman Rank correlation and Carl-Pearson correlation. Okay, and movements. So these three topics are there. Compulsory you have to learn two topics because nowadays they are asking movements question also in your 12 marks. So you need to learn correlation coefficient of Carl Pearson as well as Spearman rank correlation. Both you have to learn. So then only you can score 12 marks in your final exam. Okay. So already I uploaded the business statistics 1 important questions. So all what are the important questions which I uploaded. So that related solutions will be provided with these videos. Okay, and because of the time is very less, so we are focusing only on the important concept. So many of the students are requested me to do the concept wise videos. So on behalf of the student request, we are going to discuss this concept. Okay, so without wasting further time, so directly we are going to the first problem. So this is a question which is given. So from the ranks of 10 students in accountancy and statistics are given below, and calculate the correlation coefficient and comment on the value. Compulsory. Sometimes it may give comment on the value, sometimes it may not give the comment, but even though we have to comment. Okay, so why comment is very important in every problem. Okay, now first topic which we are discussing in this today's video, that is correlation coefficient using Spearman. Okay, so now what is the formula? First the solution we are going to discuss now. Now what is it? So first we have tried. So what are the problem we are getting? So first we have to assume, because every time I need marks in statistics, marks in accountancy, instead of that what I can do, let R1 be the, okay, R1 R1 be the ranks, okay, ranks in accountancy, ranks in accountancy. Okay, next to let R2 be the R2 be the ranks, R2 be the ranks in statistics. Okay, statistics. So whenever I'm writing R2, you need to understand it is statistics. It will represent statistics. Okay, सब लोग को समझ में आना? तो कंपलसरी नहीं तो बड़ा बड़ा नाम लिखना पड़ता, तो we can assume R1 and R2. So first and foremost thing, when you are getting any question which is related to the Spearman, so you need to assume. So in Spearman rank correlation, okay, in Spearman rank correlation concept, you can see the two different problems we can see, and one is when the ranks are given, when the ranks are given, okay, and one more problem is when the ranks are not given, when the ranks are not given, okay, not given. So these are the two different problems which we can see. Okay, now in this concept we are going to discuss the when the ranks are given. Sir, how can we say that the ranks are given? By seeing the problem you can understand the what are the values which are given in the problem. All these values are less than 10. You can see none of the place, you can see 45, 23 is like that. So 1 to 10 only, but it may be randomly is given 1 to 10. Okay, so by seeing the question we can understand this problem is based on the ranks are given. Okay, so this is the first problem which we are going to discuss now. So you got a clarity now? Okay, now which problem we are discussing? When the ranks are given. So when the ranks are not given, for that we'll be doing the another video so that you'll get a clarity. Okay, I'm separating the when the ranks are given, when the ranks are not given. So in this video we are focusing only on the when the ranks are, okay, given. So after this, first and foremost thing, so we identified the problem. After that we have tried the problem. Okay, Spearman, okay, Spearman rank correlation. We know that Spearman rank correlation, coefficient, okay, coefficient, rank, Spearman rank correlation coefficient R. Okay, so how to write R? What is the formula? 1 minus, okay, 6 into summation d square by n cube minus n. So this is a formula. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay, now everyone should remember the formula and you have to by heart the each and every element which is present in the formula. So what is R? R is nothing but correlation coefficient. R is nothing but correlation coefficient or coefficient of correlation. Both are same. Okay, and the next one is, sir, what is n here? N is nothing but number of pair of observations, okay, observations, okay. Sir, what about, sir, what is the meaning of pair of observations? See, marks in statistics and marks in accounts, it is nothing but one pair, okay, one pair. So how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So it means what in this problem, what is the value of n? 10. Clear? Next, sir, what is D? D stands for difference between the ranks. D stands for difference between ranks. Okay. So difference between ranks. Either that may be R1 minus R2 means accounts mark ranks minus stats max, or else you can also do R2 minus R1. Both are same. These both are same. So you may go for R1 minus R2, or else you may go for R2 minus R1. Both the answers are same. This is one important point you need to remember. Okay. So I think everything is clear now, till now, what we discussed. Now, without wasting further time, directly we are going to the problem explanation. So now what I am doing, so I am taking pen. I'll change the ink color, black color ink, so that it will be. So first I will write R1. So R1 is nothing but which ranks? Mark accountancy marks. Ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So because accountancy ranks directly they are given as 1 to 10 they are given. But when you go to the statistics marks are 1 and 3, 5, okay, and 6, okay. Next one is 7th rank is given. Next one is 4th rank, and next one is 8th rank, and next one is 10th rank, and next one is 9th rank, okay, and second rank. So first, next, immediately what we have to do, we have to go for, so what is the formula? D stands for D is equal, now what is the formula? R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n cube minus n. This is the formula now. So based on the formula, we have to do all this calculation. D we have to calculate. So how to calculate D? D is equal to difference between the ranks. So I'm taking R1 minus R2, or else you can go for R2 minus R1. Both are same. Okay. So how to do? 1 minus 1, answer is 0. 2 minus 3, answer is minus 1. 3 minus 5, answer is minus 2. And 4 minus 6, answer minus 2. And what is 5 minus 7? Minus 2. And 6 minus 4 plus 2. And 7 minus 8 plus, sorry, minus 1. Okay. And 8 minus 10 minus 2. And 9 minus 9 0. And 10 minus 2 8. So whatever we are getting, because in the formula we need d square, we don't want d, we need d square. So do the square of d values. Okay. After doing the square, so how to do? 0 square, answer is 0. 1 square, answer is 1. So you know, when we are squaring, the negative will become positive. Okay. 2 square means 4. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. Negative is becoming positive. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 2, and 0 square means 0. 8 square means 8 into 8 is nothing but 64. So once you get these values, we have to do the total of, so what is the meaning of summation d square? Total of d square values. Total of d square values. Do the addition now. 64 plus 2, 68. 68 plus 1. Okay, sorry. 66. 66 plus 1, 67. So all this you have to do. Total I'm getting as 86. Okay. Now substitute these values in the formula. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 into 86. 6 into 86. Now divided by what? N cube. N cube means, just now I said, now how many values are n cube? N cube is nothing but what? 10 observations are there now, that we have to write. So 10 cube minus 10. So is equal to 1 minus 8 into 86 is nothing but 516 divided by 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10. 10 cube means what? 10 into 10 into 10 is nothing but 10 10 ja 100, 100 10 ja 1000. So 1000 minus 10. Okay. Now is equal to 1 minus 516 divided by 990, because so 1000 may say does 10 minus, if you do, you will get 990 is equal to 1 minus 560 divided by 990. If you divide, you are getting 0.5212. Sir, compulsory. If you divide, you will get more values. Compulsory in statistics, after decimal, you have to take 4 digits. Okay, compulsory 4 digits, then only you'll get a correct answer. Okay, so 1 minus 0.5212, if you do, you'll get the answer plus 0.4788 answer you will get. So therefore, R is equal to, this is the answer. So in the question, what is asking? Comment also. So it means what we have to write? There is, what we are going to write? There is a, now what is, which answer you got? Positive or negative one? Positive answer. Okay, so you have to write there is a positive correlation. There is a positive correlation. Okay, between, correlation between, okay, performance, okay, performance of performance of students, okay, in accountancy, okay, accountancy and statistics. Okay, statistics. So it means there is a positive correlation. Okay, and remember, whatever the answer you're getting, so always the correlation answer always lies between -1 and +1. Okay, it should not be more than 1 and it should not be more than -1. So always whatever the answer we are getting, that should be in the -1, and maximum positive side 1 we should get, in the negative side you should get -1. But if it is crossing, means somewhere we did mistake, or else the proportion itself is wrong. So that you have to write. So if you get more than 1, you have to write. So R cannot be more than 1. We know that the correlation always lies between -1 to +1. So the given question is wrong. Okay, we cannot comment on that problem. So now we can comment. Why? Because what is the answer? 0.47. It is between the, within the range, so that we can comment. If we are getting with beyond this range, so we, then we have tried, we cannot comment on the R value, because it is crossing the limits. Okay, so I think you understand the problem. So the next video will be based on the, okay, when the ranks are not given problem, we are going to discuss. So subscribe to our channel Anu Computer Education.